Excuse me, are you English?
No, I am American.
Do you speak English?
A little, but not very well.
What do you do?
I'm an architect.
How much money do you have?
I don't have any money.
How old are you?
I'm 28 years old.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
How many children do you have?
I have 3 children, 2 boys and 1 girl.
How long have you been here?
About 2 years.
How many language do you speak?
I speak 3 language.
Would you like to have coffee?
No, thanks. I like tea.
How about a cup of tea?
It sounds good.
What are you planning to do today?
I'm not sure.
Would you like a drink?
Sure, let's go.
Do you need a few minutes?
I think we're ready.
What time does it start?
It starts at 7 o'clock.
What will the weather be like tomorrow?
It's supposed to rain tomorrow.
Are you allergic to anything?
Yes, I'm allergic to seafood.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry.
Are you sick?
Yes, I'm sick. I have a fever.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Do you have a girlfriend?
No, I don't have a girlfriend.
How does it taste?
It's delicious.
What does he do?
He is a teacher.
Where is he from?
He's from Vietnam.
What time is it?
It's 7:15.